considering factors like material strength, wind resistance, and even cost. This allows engineers to choose the best possible design, balancing safety, efficiency, and budget. AI in action real-world applications. The applications of AI in engineering are vast. Let's take the example of building a new skyscraper. An AI tool could analyze weather patterns and predict wind loads, helping engineers design a more stable structure. In manufacturing, AI-powered robots can work alongside human workers, performing tasks with precision and speed. This collaboration increases efficiency and reduces the likelihood of errors. AI can also monitor equipment in real time, predicting potential failures before they happen. Section 4. Engineering the future. The impact of AI tools. The impact of AI on the engineering field will be profound. AI tools are revolutionizing the way engineers approach their work, enabling them to tackle complex problems with unprecedented efficiency and precision. From design to implementation, AI is becoming an integral part of the engineering process. By automating tasks and providing intelligent insights, AI will free up engineers to focus on creativity and innovation. This shift allows engineers to dedicate more time to developing groundbreaking solutions and pushing the boundaries of what is possible in their respective fields. We can expect to see bolder designs, more efficient structures, and groundbreaking technological advancements. AI's ability to analyze vast amounts of data and generate optimized solutions will lead to more sustainable and resilient engineering projects. However, it is important to remember that AI is a tool. While it can significantly enhance the capabilities of engineers, it cannot replace the human touch. The intuition, experience, and creativity that engineers bring to their work are irreplaceable. It is not here to replace engineers, but to augment their abilities. AI serves as a powerful assistant, providing engineers with the data and insights they need to make informed decisions and innovate more effectively. The human element of creativity, critical thinking, and problem-solving will always be essential in engineering. As we move forward, the collaboration between human ingenuity and AI technology will pave the way for a new era of engineering excellence. Section 5. The future is now. Embrace the power of AI. The future of engineering is here, and it is powered by AI. By embracing these new tools, engineers can unlock unprecedented levels of efficiency, innovation, and problem-solving. The time to adapt is now. Explore the AI tools available in your field